Welcome to our booth in the exhibition. I would like to give a brief information about our products. This is line of sight communication terminal. This is operated in both C-band or Ku band. It depends on the owner preference. And this is wideband communication. So you may do more than 20 megabit traffic through this terminal, and the range is 200 kilometer plus. At least you have the capacity of 200 kilometers depending on the weather conditions, but if the weather condition is nice, that might extend to 300 kilometers, 350 kilometers away as well. So these are all military grade and airborne qualified products that were exposed to safety of flight conditions.